The recycling program started this year, and we started it because previously Anacortes High School did not have any recycling program. It used to be everything was just like either in the recycling bins or in the trash. They just went straight to the trash. If everything just goes to the trash, it's just like a lot of landfill and it's just a lot of waste when we could be reusing all these things. And AHS has a ton of paper that we don't end up using from a lot of like homeworks, tests, and it would just be nice to use all of that paper for other things instead of like chopping down a bunch of trees and not doing anything else with them. During every Monday meeting, we take around like 10 to 15, sometimes 30 minutes, depending on how many people we have in the club that day, and we just go around to each classroom collecting the bins for their recycling. We collect them all inside the big gray bin you might see near like the cafeteria, and then we take them out into the back where we have the huge recycling bins, and that's where they all go. Soon we're gonna start implementing some orange buckets into each and every classroom, and what those orange buckets are gonna be for are specifically aluminum cans. So whereas people have been just recycling their cans inside the blue bins, that is usually for paper and plastic. But the orange buckets are only going to be for cans, so it'll make it easier for us and the janitors to separate the cans from the recycling. The janitors use the cans and collect them to make a sort of profit out of them. They have some special program for that, and it's just a lot easier if we have the orange buckets to separate the cans from the recycling, because when we're digging through, and we can't have them mixing up with each other because one, our hands get super sticky, and two, it just means a lot more time separating recycling from trash.
This is why you don't put liquids in the recycling.
A lot of the times when we're going through the recycling, we find a lot of straws, food wrappers, aluminum cans, and our hope is with the orange buckets is that that'll eliminate things, the sort of confusion between where everything should go. The orange buckets are going to be for the aluminum cans, the recycling can be for plastic cups, plastic items, paper, cardboard, and the trash bin is going to be for everything else that is just trash. We have above each and every recycling bin, there should be a poster telling you what's okay to put inside the bin and what's not okay to put inside the bin.
If you are interested in getting community service hours, the Green Club Recycling Program provides up to 2 hours per month. Each meeting takes place every Monday after school in room 108 in Mr. Frostad's room.